What if I told you the square root of 4624 can be found in under 10 seconds without a calculator? So let's do it. So first understand what is square root. The square root of a number is the value when multiplied by itself gives that number. So 4624 divided by 2 gives 2312. Now 2312 divided by 2 gives 1156. 1156 divided by 2. First we'll do prime factorization. 578. 578 divided by 2 gives 289. 289 divided by 17 only because it's a square of 17. Now 17 divided by 17 gives 1. So in terms of prime factorization exponent, we can write 2 power 4 times 17 power 2. Now taking square root on both sides. So we can write this as 2 power 4 times 1 by 2 times 17 power 2 times 1 by 2. So it becomes 2 power 2 times 17. That is 4 times 17, which is equals to 68. So 4624 square root is 68. So here is a quick tip for you. Notice that the last two digit 24 perfect square ends in 24, almost having ending in 6, 8 or 4. So if there is a 24 in the end, then their square root must be end with 8 or 2. So it's 68. So now here's your turn. What is the square root of 5625? This is your homework question. Drop your answer in the comments. I will pin your comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.